Hi children, today we are going to learn second chapter. What is that? Fractions, decimals and rational numbers. Fractions, decimals and rational numbers. First, already we learnt in 6th class fractions, types of fractions. What is a fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of a whole. Example, 1 by 4, 2 by 5, 6 by 10, 1, 2 by 3. Now see, suppose this is a whole part, then I divided into two parts, then this is half, this is half. Now fraction is a part of a whole and the upper part we call as numerator and down part we call as a denominator. Then upper top number means upper one we call numerator, down one denominator. What is the meaning of that? We are dividing the whole into, suppose 1 by 4. We are dividing the whole into 4 parts, we are taking one part. Here we are dividing 10 parts and we are taking 6. Then how to write? 6 by 10. 6 we called as a numerator, 10 we call as a denominator. Now types of fraction: proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Proper fraction, mixed fraction, improper fraction. Now improper fraction, mixed fraction, proper. In proper fraction, what is proper fraction? What is proper fraction? Proper fraction is numerator is less than denominator. Then numerator means upper number, down number, denominator. Upper number is less than down number, means numerator is less than denominator. 2 by 3, 5 by 10. 2 by 3, 5 by 10. Next, improper fraction. In improper fraction, denominator is less than numerator. Denominator means down number is less than top one. That is denominator less than numerator. Next example, 9 by 2, 10 by 5, 11 by 11 are equal to numerator, means both are equal. In numerator and denominator both are equal, that is also we call improper fraction. Next, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction consists integral part and proper fraction. Means suppose you have two parts, two whole numbers are there, suppose 2 bananas are there or suppose 2 mangoes are there, then you did not cut that first mango like that and second mango if you cut into 3 parts and you are taking 2 parts, then how to write? One mango already you are taking, suppose total things 2 are there, 2 whole things, you are taking this part and in that you are taking only one part. This is called a mixed fraction. Whole part and one whole number and proper fraction. That is called, both together we called a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction we can change into improper fraction. See, now here 1, here 1 by 3. What is the fraction, mixed fraction? 1 by 3. Now mixed fraction consists integral part means whole number and proper fraction. Proper fraction means what? Numerator less than denominator. Then comparison of fractions. Next what? Comparison of fractions. Here 1 by 5, 3 by 5. Here these two are like fractions. Why we call that those are like fractions? Because both the new denominators are equal. Then here 1 by 5, 3 by 5 means we are dividing the part into whole into 5 parts. We are taking one part. Other person they divided part whole into 5 parts and taking 3 parts. Means which is greater? 3 parts taking greater than 1 part. Then 3 by 5 is greater than 1 by 5. Suppose both are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means denominators are different. Then how to do? First we have to take 5 by 7, 3 by 4. 5 by 7, 3 by 4. Then which is greater? We can't say, because here the whole is divided into 7 parts, here divided into 4 parts. In this they are taking 5 parts, in this they are taking 3 parts. Then we can't say which is greater, which is smaller. Then we have to convert into like fractions. For that, first we have to find out LCM of 7 4. 7 4 ja 28. Now 5 by 7 into 3 by 4. Now you have to change it to like fractions, means denominator must be same. Now 7 how many times goes in 28? 4 times. 4 7 times. 4 5s are 20. 20 by 28. 21 by 28. Now here we can say directly, because both the denominators are equal. Then here we are dividing the whole into 28 parts and taking only 20 parts. Here 28 parts we are dividing, only we are taking 21 parts. Then which is greater? 21 is greater than 20. Then we can say 20 by 28 is lesser than 21 by 28. Now we have to write actual fractions. 20 from where you got? 5 by 7 lesser than 3 by 4. But when you will compare two unlike fractions, you have to go for first LCM, then change the two fractions into like fractions. Then only we can compare. Now this is the types of fractions and comparison of fractions.